Hey Michael, this is Miles with City Kia of Greater Orlando. Today I have a 2021 Kia Sedona EX for you to check out. Raul told me that you'd like some more information on this car, and what I'm gonna do is show you a few awesome things about this vehicle. All right, Michael, so this is our 2021 Kia Sedona EX. The EX model is higher up in the range of trims available on the Sedona. It's almost like your luxury minivan. Now, I'm gonna review a few of the awesome features on this car. It does come very well equipped, and I do apologize in advance. This one actually just came fresh off the truck, so there are still some plastic components in here that have not been removed, and it has not gone through detailing, so it is a little bit dirty, but nonetheless, I'll be able to show you a few of the features. Now, stepping inside, it is very roomy. This is an example of an EX with the camel beige leather. It's a very nice look, and this one is an 8-passenger model. Now, in the EX Sedona, you do have a 7-inch touchscreen display here. It does come equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so that when you hook your phone in, you can actually pull up your GPS apps such as Waze, Google Maps, and your music apps like Spotify, Pandora, you name it. This system will also give you the ability to hit this voice button on the steering wheel to get Google Assistant and Siri hands-free. So you can keep your hands on the steering wheel, keep your family safe while driving, but also get things taken care of at the same time. Now, everything is laid out very nicely, very easy to use, easy to reach. The steering wheel is wrapped in premium leather, and it feels very nice and soft in your hands. The gear shifter is also wrapped in premium leather, and you'll notice that behind it there is a wireless charging pad. So this pad right here, if you set your phone on it, it will charge it wirelessly, and it'll charge it very quickly because it is a fast charger. And you'll notice the EX does also come with 3 level heated seats for your 2 front passengers. This button here for your drive mode can actually switch your Sedona between eco, comfort, and sport. It actually gives the vehicle different personalities as far as the way how it feels and the way how it performs on the road. Another neat little thing you have here is a rear view mirror, which is designed specifically for you to be able to take a look up and see exactly what's going on in the back seat with any occupants you may have back there. Something else I'd like to point out is the blind spot monitoring system. So basically, in your mirror, there's a little indicator that'll light up if somebody's in your blind spot. Really nice safety feature to have. It'll give you an audible alert as well. That way you can avoid collisions and keep you and your family safe. Having features like that can also help you save some money on your insurance. Now, you do have remote access to open your power sliding doors from right up there above the head unit in the display. And you can use your key to also open and close both sliding doors. Access into the second row is very easy because you have a very wide opening here. And the neat thing about these seats is they do slide forward and back. So like here, I just slid them back to create additional space, and they do also recline, so very nice to have. In the back, there are 4 individual air vents for all of your rear passengers so that they have the absolute maximum comfort. There are controls back here so that they can set their own separate zone of climate control. They do put a little hook on the back of the seat up here so that someone with a bag can hang it without setting it on the floor. Now, there's quite a bit of cup holders. This car in total does have approximately 14 cup holders, including some additional ones here in the center. So this little center area has extra cup holders and also acts as an armrest. You can actually remove this center seat and make these captain's chairs, and that'll give you a 7-passenger configuration if you prefer that. Now, getting access into the third row is very simple. There's a little handle here that you grab, pulls the seat up just like that so that full-sized adults or you know, taller children can get in and out of the third row with ease. Back here, you'll notice all the same luxury appointments that you have up front. Leather seating with the two-tone and the stitching. Another thing that's nice is second and third row seats do have sunshades. So you can keep the sun out of your occupants' faces and everybody can have a nice, comfortable ride in the back of the Sedona. All right, Michael, so I'm sitting back here in the Sedona and I'm about 5'10". The seat is all the way back, and as you can tell, I have quite a bit of space. The cool thing is, like I said, these seats can slide forward and back to create additional space for either second row or third row passengers. And keep in mind that you do also have armrests that are adjustable, as well as reclining seats, which recline quite a bit. It's great to have on long road trips. So at the back of the Sedona, there is quite a bit of space. You can carry 8 passengers in this vehicle, so it's very important to have a lot of cargo capacity. Now in the back, as you can tell, we do have the third row seats up, and there is a lot of storage down below. Very deep storage compartment. That way you can pack 8 people in here along with 8 suitcases if necessary. Now, these seats are very easy to get rid of. You just pull the handle here, and they actually fold right down into the ground. Kind of a one-step process. Kia makes it very easy for anybody to do this. And there you can see that with 5-passenger configuration, there's actually a ton of room back here. Like, you could put 5 people in here plus a refrigerator if it was absolutely necessary. Now, getting the seats back up, very simple. They're spring-loaded just like that. Takes very little effort, and of course the headrests are adjustable. Again on this side, very nice. They place a handle up here, makes it simple to close, just like that. One great thing about the EX model Sedona is it does come equipped with the smart key access system. So this is a 6-button key. It does give you the ability to actually open and close the power sliding doors right here from the key fob itself. And in addition to that, of course, if you have the key in a bag or in your pocket on your person, you can simply depress this button here, and without having to take the key out, you can hop into the vehicle, place your foot on the brake pedal, and push the button to start. Now that we've gotten the Sedona started up, I can introduce you to everything here under the hood. Now, all Sedonas will come equipped with a V6 engine, state-of-the-art engine technology in this one. It does have our gasoline direct injection. What that means for you is the vehicle is going to produce optimum power and also give you excellent fuel economy. So although it's a V6, you should expect to have about 27 miles a gallon on the highway. And keeping in mind that you'll also be able to deliver close to 300 horsepower, it's connected to an 8-speed automatic transmission, which is going to give you very smooth shifting and also help with that fuel economy. And all Kias do come equipped with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You do also get a 5-year, 60,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. And in addition to that, Kia provides 5 years and 60,000 miles of roadside assistance. So if you ever have any towings, lockouts, if you run out of gas, if you need rental car or hotel reimbursement, if you ever end up displaced, Kia will complimentary take care of all of that for you, included with the purchase of the vehicle. Lastly, City Kia does provide 2 years of complimentary maintenance. So all of your oil changes, tire rotations, topping up the fluids, checking up the alignment, also giving you a hand car wash every time you come for service, and taking care of your air conditioner filter. Things like that will all be included and covered for 2 years complimentary just for purchasing your vehicle from City Kia. Now, if you have any questions or concerns, you can always reach out to me. My phone number is 561-444-5901. This is a beautiful vehicle, and it does come in many different color schemes. You have a different color interior and different color exterior options. The EX model does also have a technology package, which we do have one in stock. The technology package will add quite a few things. So if you're interested in sunroof, if you're interested in having a dual screen display where there's 2 individual displays on the back of each front seat for your rear passengers, those features are available to you. And like I said, we do have one of those models in stock here at City Kia. We look forward to working with you, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks again. And Michael, here are a few images of the EX Premium Sedona that we have in stock. Adds the sunroof, different color leather, and also the 2 screens in the back for rear entertainment.